like buttons, the comments, and everything. In this next topic, the first Tesla Cybertruck has rolled off of the factory and there's a delivery video. So let's take a look at it. But if you're just joining in, my name is Dennis. I love talking about Tesla hacking, so definitely hit that subscribe if you're interested. Shout out to Gregor Truck. Let's give this guy a follow. He's been posting, or they've been posting, a bunch of Cybertruck content. You can see there is a new video that you can see, quote, first production Cybertruck exiting Giga Texas into the wild, quote, go forth and do greatness. You can see there's a lot of things we can try and piece from this, right? So it looks like it rolled off the factory line. You can see the bodies, sides of it is the stainless steel or whatever the steel it is. You can also see the rear steering in action from this angle as well, where the angle of the back wheels do a little bit of a turn as it makes a right turn off of the lot. But pretty cool stuff. It seems like we're getting closer and closer every single day. And so this is going to be a very exciting time, because this Cybertruck might actually be delivering in the next month or two, or I guess month or 2 or 3. So we'd definitely be interested and on the lookout. But definitely some pretty interesting stuff. Let me know what your thoughts on it. We're going to jump into the next topic. But let's see what else we got. We've got some pretty interesting stuff rolling off the headline.